and it's time for part 4 of our The Amazing Book of Animals. So, as you know, we are already on part 4 of our The Amazing Book of Animals. And as you all know, we have already done part 1, part 2, and part 3. So we are on part 4, and I guarantee that we are going to finish that book today. And remember, we are filling in for Saturday. So pretend like that this is like Saturday's video. This was supposed to be for Saturday. And then I think we are going to have to fill in for today. And we are going to read another Junie B. Jones book. And, yeah, so I think that's what we'll do. And I haven't looked and checked for the next book after that, what's kind of like the next book to us. But it's technically to them the second last book. But to us, it's like the second book. So, yeah, so that's our plan. And, I have a cord, by the way. It's a portable cord because my iPad is at like low battery. And if you want it to charge, then you just press this button right here. And press it, then it's charging, and you're going to see these blue dots right here. And then it will be charging. Alright, so just a couple more notifications that I have to talk to you guys about. So, as you all know, some of you guys have been asking, when are you going to film another Nina's World video? That is quite unfortunate because I have unfortunately quitted my Nina's World channel. I know, you're probably like, what? You were doing so good on drawing. Trust me, I know. But with all these like reading stuff, reading like regular books, Junie B. Jones and Big Go Math all at the same time, I can't have 4 different channel things going on the same day. So that's why I have officially quitted my Nina's World channel. I know, trust me, it's sad, but I had to because I didn't have like any room to do anything. So I quitted, but I posted 2 videos on there. So if you ever want to see my lessons, then you could just go back and check them. Well, I shouldn't say I quitted. It's not like I will never ever make videos on my Nina's World channel again. I'm going to be actually making them once a month. So you're going to see videos from me on my channel there once a month. I've already made it once a month this month. So you'll see it again in May, sometime in May. I'll come up with a date in May. But that's my routine, so you won't be expecting really any much that videos that often from me on that channel. But otherwise, you're going to be pretty much expecting videos every day from me. Well, some days I'll probably get caught up. Like you didn't see any videos on Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. And today's Sunday. And tomorrow I have to go back to school. But that's okay, because I only have 5 more weeks of school left, and then it's summer break, yay! And I already told you what I'm doing. I think I am doing a lot of stuff during the summer, and I'm going to be in 3rd grade next year. Can you believe it? And I start back up in school on August 25th, and you won't believe what day I get out of school. June 2nd. But don't worry, that's not this year. That's when I get out of 3rd grade. Not this year. This year I get out on May 27th. But when I graduate from 3rd grade, I'll get out at that time. That's when I start the summer, on June 3rd. That's when I start the summer. That's cray-cray. Oh my gosh. I know, but I'm not going to graduate 3rd grade until 2022. So... Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and get started. I can't wait to see what our next animal is going to be about. All right, so let's find out. And I can't wait to find out however this animal is, how much it could live to. I hope it lives to like 100 something. At least I hope. All right, so our next animal is creepy crawlies. Creepy crawlies are small invertebrates. They include an estimated 30 million insect species, as well as archons such as spiders and scorpions and millipedes and centipeds and worms. Some mollusks and crustaceans also count as creepy crawlies. Count the legs. The word insect means cut into pieces. And an adult insect always has 3 parts to its body: head, thorax, and abdomen. It also always has 6 legs in its adult form. A creepy crawly with more or less than 6 legs is not an insect. Insects often have wings, but not always. The woodlouse belongs to the same family as crabs and lobsters. It is a crustacean. Praying mantis, Mantis rolosa. Habitat: fields, woods, grasslands. S. asa, S. orpin, in America, Australia. Length: male 6 cm, 2.4 in. Female 7.5 cm, 3 in. Weight: male 2.5 g, 0.9 oz. Female 3 g, 0.11 oz. Diet: insects, mantis, other invertebrates. Lifespan: up to 9 months. Wild population unknown, least concern. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that right? Creepy crawlies could only live up to 9 months? I can't believe that. That's crazy. That's like the lowest anyone's ever lived. Like, can you believe if you only lived for 9 months? It's not even a year. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for them. That is crazy. But don't forget, that's the world record. I think some people have like lived up to 1 month. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so sad. Don't you feel so sad for those creepy crawlies that their lifespan up to 9 months? That is cray. So, but I bet we'll have some stuff lower than that. So that is like cray. All right, so let's read some other interesting facts about creepy crawlies. All right, so recycling machines. Creepy crawlies that eat dead plants and animals are known as detritivores. Earthworms, millipedes, slugs, and woodlice are all detritivores. They do a useful job in the food chain because they reuse nutrients, so these do not go to waste. The praying mantis shoots out its front legs to grasp insect prey such as grasshoppers and crickets. The long body can be green, yellow, brown, or even black. It has 2 pairs of wings. Females cannot fly with their wings, but males can. The shocking pink dragon millipede eats rotting leaves. It protects itself from predators by producing cannel, a deadly position. So here is a cool, interesting fact about a creepy crawly. I read it to you. See, like its sharp teeth and stuff. That's like its whole walkway through. Pretty cool animal facts, right? I skipped a page. Okay, so, it looks like we're almost done with this book. So let's see what our next animal is gonna be, and mostly how long they could live. I felt so bad for those little creepy crawlies. They could only live up to 9 months. That's crazy, right? All right, so our next animal is spiders and scorpions. Along with meats and ticks, scorpions and spiders are enchantimals. There are at least 45,700 species of spider and 1,750 scorpions. There are 8-legged predators with no advantage or wings. All scorpions and most spiders have Vietnam, but few are facile to humans. Super spiders. All spiders spin silk, but not all build webs. From spiral orbs to tubes and funnels, spider webs are used to trap prey. Other spiders have different hunting methods. The trapdoor spider ambushes prey from a hidden lair while the huntsman gives chase. Spiders range in size from a pinhead-sized orb web to the massive gorilla tarantula. A crab spider has 8 eyes to see in all directions. It lies in wait perfectly dished, ready to ambush insect visitors to the flower. The leg-like metapalps on either side of the jaws crush and tear up food. The 2 front walking legs are also used to grab seeds, flies, and other prey. The world's biggest spider, the gorilla tarantula, can weigh 175 g, 6.2 oz. It hunts mice, lizards, and small birds. There are more than 2,000 species of crab spider. Many match the flowers where they hunt for insect prey each day. So some spiders and scorpions are very attractive. So here is a picture of a tarantula. Pretty interesting. Very close to a spider and a scorpion. See, look. So right here, I just read an interesting fact. There's a close-up. It's like a little prey thing. I forget what it was, but it was pretty cool, huh? So let's read some other interesting facts about spiders and scorpions. And I'm curious to know how much spiders could live up to. Same with scorpions. Alright, so sting in the tail. While spiders inject venom with their fangs, the scorpion produces venom from a stinger at the end of its curving tail. It stings to protect itself from predators. It can also stun struggling prey, but usually it saves its venom and kills prey with its powerful pincers. Scorpions are tough servers, found in many harsh habitats. This yellow bat-tailed scorpion lives in deserts in North Africa and the Middle East. Crab spider, Thomas onustus. Habitat, moors, deserts, grasslands, Europe, Asia, Africa. Length, male 4 mm, 0.16 in. Female 7 mm, 0.28 in. Weight, male 2.5 g, 0.9 oz. Female 3 g, 0.11 oz. Diet, small, invigorating hibernates. Lifespan up to 4 months. Wild population unknown. Did you hear that? Spiders and scorpions could live up to 4 months? That's crazy, right? That's even less than like our last animal lived. That's like cray-cray. Did you know that I've heard that one spider was like born and then all of a sudden it like died right when it was born? That's crazy. Like imagine if you were born and then you only got to live for like 5 seconds. That's like crazy. Like could you imagine if you just like woke up and I'm like, oh, hello world. And then you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you pass out. That's like so like weird. Like could you imagine if you only lived for 5 seconds? Like you'd be like hello world, it's nice to meet you, and then you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, I've had enough of world. Could you imagine? I don't think that's ever happened to anyone, but it has happened to a bunch of animals before. I feel like really bad for the animals that happened to them. Oh my gosh, everyone hates these animals. And I really want to know about these animals. It's an animal that stings people a lot. You might know what it is. It's a bug that's around in summertime. And I know, tell me about it. I hate those. One time I got stung by it before. Like, it was so bad. Like, it hurts so bad. And it hurts just like a flu shot. So, let me see if that's... Oh, this is actually our last animal. Oh my gosh. So, our last animal are bees. Worldwide, excluding Antarctica, there are about 20,000 bee species. Most live alone, but honeybees and bumblebees form large colonies made up of a queen bee, hundreds of drones, and thousands of workers. The drones mate with the queen. The workers guard the nest, collect pollen and nectar, and care for young. Breaking away. When a bee colony becomes too large, the queen bee lays eggs that will develop into queens instead of worker bees. She leaves the nest with a large group of workers. The swarm flies to a suitable site to start a new colony. When they get there, the queen starts laying eggs already fertilized by the drones. Each leg is split into segments, so it is very flexible. The bee has a pair of jointed antennae. They can touch, smell, taste, and pick up vibrations. The bumblebee has 2 pairs of wings. They beat up and down so quickly that they make a buzzing noise. Garden bumblebee, Bombus horderman, plant buzzer. Habitat grasslands, farmland, Europe, Asia, New Zealand. Length 1.5 cm, 0.6 in. Queen 2 cm, 0.8 in. Weight 2.5 g, 0.9 oz. Queen 4 g, 0.14 oz. Diet, nectar, pollen. Lifespan up to 2 weeks. Queen up to 1 year. Wild population unknown, least concern. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna faint. That is like crazy. Some bumblebees could only live up to 2 weeks. I mean, that's like the world record for living. Only 2 weeks? But at least the queen bees, like there's a queen bee that's like a queen that guards. You probably don't know what it is. She lives for 1 year. But other bumblebees can live up to 2 weeks. That's the world record. Some bees could only live up for 5 days. Oh my gosh, that is so surprising to me, and I am so pumped that that has happened to bees. So yeah, I am very, very surprised that that happened. But you know, that's what happens sometimes to bees. But sometimes they don't feel bad for bees because they should get payback for stinging me. I don't even know where I got stung. It's probably already gone. Yeah, I got stung by a bee twice. I actually got stung by a bee when I was 3 or when I was 6. Now I'm 8. I don't remember what it feels like. It feels just like a flu shot. Like it goes boop, and then it hurts for it hurts until you literally put ice on it. I think it's worse than a flu shot because a flu shot only hurts for 1 second and then you're done. But a bee sting could hurt until you put ice on it or something. So, and they also live in some stuff with honey. See, they live in their honey hive. So this is our last page of the Amazing Book of Animals. So we are going to see some other cool, interesting facts about bees. So, finding food. Honeybees carry nectar and pollen back to the hive. They mix nectar with saliva to make honey to feed the young. When bees find a good source of nectar, they tell the other workers where it is with an elaborate wagging dance. Many plants need bees to pollinate them so that they can produce fruit. Female bumblebees can sting. Their sting is not barbed like a honeybee's, so it can be rescued many times. The hairy body picks up grains of pollen which rub off on the next flower the bee visits. This is called pollination. Bees store honey in hexagonal cells, which they build from beeswax. The cells also house eggs and larvae. So, here are some cool, interesting facts about bees. So these are some cool foods that bees eat every day. And here's another cool picture of a bee. And let me show you where they sting. Here. So this is where they sting. They sting right here. See that little sharp part? It's really sharp. That's where they sting people. So you might not know it, but if they come around, pretend that a bee is right here, then it could just go, it can even go in my shirt right now, and it could sting poop, and I'm ow, that hurts so bad. It could basically sting anywhere in your body, I heard. It could even sting on your foot. It could sting anywhere, possibly. Alright, so that is the end of the Amazing Book of Animals. We have read every single detail of this book, and now we are done with it. Can you believe it? We're already done with reading the Amazing Book of Animals. I enjoyed that book really much. So, next time, I think on Tuesday it is, we're going to start a new book. So, and I will see you again at probably after my dinner, 6 o'clock. I'll see you for my next Ginny B. Jones book, and then we will be all caught up for the day. Oh no, the video has not been 30 minutes yet, so we have to talk about something for 6 minutes. Oh, come on. Why are they telling me to do that? I have nothing to talk about. All right, so what's the next holiday coming up? Can you guys remember? When's the next holiday? Well, Independence Independence Day is on July 4th, but no, I think Memorial Day comes before that. You know, like an important holiday that, like, everyone follows. Like, yeah, it's Independence Day, July 4th, which is the 4th of July. And the holiday after that is probably, like, there's no holidays in August. Same with September. Well, in January, it's my birthday. February, Valentine's Day. March, St. Patrick's Day. April, Easter. May, Memorial Day. June, Father's Day. July, 4th of July. August, I'll just put National Dog Day. That's like the only thing they have in August. Oh, and by the way, there are 2 holidays that I know of in May, Mother's Day and Memorial Day. Oh, that's kind of fun. May, Memorial Day, and Mother's Day. They all begin with M's. That's pretty cool. In September, it's back to school season. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. And October is Halloween. As you all know, November is Christmas. November's not Christmas. November's Thanksgiving, and December is Christmas. At least I think every year. Oh my gosh, we still have to talk for 4 more minutes. We gotta find something to talk about. So, sorry, ignore my stuffy nose. Wait, let me sniff it all out. It's like I'm crying. Let me try again. Wait, don't I sound so weird? Like I sound like I'm not saying like my words right. Okay, I'm gonna laugh it out. Wait, let me sniff it out. That's weird. Okay, so I have no idea what to talk about. But my video stops at 30 minutes. So I have no idea what to talk about. Alright, so maybe I'll talk about what I'm doing for my school week. So I have no idea what I'm doing this week, but last week was a busy week, I could tell you that. On Monday, we had my principal work on the roof. It was really fun. And when we went out at recess, we got to throw balloons at her and stuff. And on Tuesday, we had a birthday. It was my friend McKenna's birthday. And on Wednesday, I had one of my friends come back in person from online for the whole year. I wrote those in my Valentine's. Her name is Addison. And that same day, we had map testing. Every school has map testing, for those of you who don't know what map testing is. And on Thursday, we had another birthday. It was my friend Lorelai's birthday. She turned 8 too. And that same day was Earth Day. So all sorts of fun stuff. And on Friday, we had our form to bring back. I forget what we had special on Friday. It was something. I literally forget what we had to do that day. I think we had to bring back a form. No, that was Thursday. I forget. There was something special about Friday, but I don't know. And so I have only 5 more weeks of school. Once I came back from spring break on April 12th, I already knocked out 2 weeks. So here are the 7 weeks. Bam! 2 weeks knocked out. And only 5 more weeks to go. I think I can handle 5 more weeks. Do you think? That's 24 days. No, 25 days. Well, I get out on a Thursday. I get out on Thursday, May 27th. So that will be 24 more days of school. Yeah. So, I hope you guys stay safe and healthy. And I will see you again for my Junie B. Jones book at 6 o'clock, like nearest after dinner. Bye-bye. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.